Hi, in this video I am going to show you some of the new cool features in Zotero 6.0. Zotero 6.0 is under development at the moment, and if you want to test these features you can go to this web address and download and install development builds or beta builds for your respective operating system. But please make sure to back up your library because sometimes these development builds they can mess up with your library. I have already downloaded and installed this. So let me show you. Let's open Zotero. The first feature is the inclusion of a built-in PDF reader in Zotero. So if you go to preferences, you can see here that you can select open PDFs by using Zotero or by using your default system PDF reader if you prefer to use your own reader. But for the purpose of this demonstration, I will select Zotero. So if I click a PDF in my library now, you can see it has been opened in a new tab in built-in PDF reader of Zotero. This built-in PDF reader has many cool features. You can annotate the PDFs in different colors. So let me annotate some text for you. Select highlight text tool and you can select the text to annotate. You can change the color of the annotation as well. So for example, let's change this to red. You can see that as soon as I annotate the text, it has been shown on the left side. I can toggle this left side on or off. In the same way, I can select figures or certain areas to include in annotations. So if I select this select area tool, I can select a figure. Let me select one. This figure looks cool and this is also appearing on the left now. The next cool thing is that you can add these annotations into notes under the parent item. On the right, there are no notes associated with this item or any other item in my library. But if I click this plus icon here, I can add annotations into notes. Now these are added into my notes. Let me close PDF and you can see these notes under the parent item. I can edit the notes and I can show colors on these notes. Another thing you can observe is that these notes contain in-text citation of the parent item as well. And this is very important because the next feature takes benefit of this. Let me open a Word document for you. You can see here that now an additional option, Add Note, is appearing under Zotero tab. And this option allows you to import your notes directly into Word along with the citation. If I click this option, it is giving me suggestion of the note. And if I click this note, it would be inserted into the Word document. And citations are formatted according to the selected style. I can insert a bibliography in the end. So by simply selecting this option, Add Bibliography. So how cool is this? Now the bibliography has been added. So you can annotate PDFs and you can import these notes directly into Word document along with the active citations. These features will increase your productivity to a whole new level. For now, that's all. See you in the next video. Thank you.